Hey there, Quiz Universe fam! So pumped to see you back for another epic challenge. Today, we're diving into Spot the Odd One Out, Numbers and Letters Edition. We've got 15 brain-busting questions split across 3 levels. If you're here for the thrills, hit subscribe and let's get rolling. Level 1, easy peasy. Can you spot the letter that doesn't belong? Nailed it! That one has a different color, doesn't it? This one's a cinch. Can you see the odd one out? Right on! That's our unique M hiding in there. Which number stands out from the pack? Oh yeah, there it is. You're on fire. Ready for a character challenge? Guess who? Hint, she's starring in the new Pixar flick. You got it. Envy from Inside Out 2. Here's a fun one. Who's cuter, Envy or Joy? Think it over and drop your pick in the comments below. Back to spotting. Which emoji just doesn't fit in? Found it! Which letter is a little off? Yep, there's our odd P right there. This one's sneaky. Can you guess the hidden number? You got it! It's 368. Quick, tell me the missing number. That's a 9. Skills are sharp as ever. Spot the letter that's not like the rest? Boom! Odd Z spotted. Which letter isn't playing along? Bingo! That funky O in the last row. Find the odd number out. Nailed it! It's 2. Take a closer look. Can you spot the odd color? That's D, no doubt about it. Emoji showdown. Which one's right, A or B? A wins this round. Nice one. And to wrap it up, which letter's off in this set? Perfect. Right. Here's the answer. And that's a wrap for today's quiz. How'd you do? Drop your score in the comments and let me know. If you had a blast, hit subscribe so you won't miss a beat of the fun. See ya in the next one. Quiz Universe Crew.